too. Oh boy, this doesn't look good. Let's see.
This is a statewide test of the Texas State Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This system was developed by local authorities with the help of broadcast and cable systems to inform the public about an event of an actual emergency. In the event of an actual emergency, emergency instructions and information would have followed the attention signal you have just heard. This is a statewide test of the Texas State Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. There is no actual emergency. No action is required by the public at this time. We will now return you to regular program.